had to tell you got lovely rhubarb. First of all, you get your secateurs, snip, 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 snip. Not stringy, not skinny, just snip. That's when you know you have the perfect rhubarb. You hear that crunch? Not floppy, rigid, very rigid. Picked straight from the ground. Nearly done. And then to add some sugar. Oh no, no adding sugar here. We add honey. We marinate the rhubarb in the honey, lots of it. There you go, that should be sweet enough. Leave that to simmer on the oven on the slowest heat you can. And as you can see, loads of rhubarb. So on the boil, gas mark nothing, as little as you can, almost pilot light, as low as you can get, and make sure you don't stew it. Thanks for watching.